Using lines to model data. A model is a mathematical description of an authentic situation. A linear model is a linear function or its graph that describes a relationship between two quantities for an authentic situation. Well, it's got to represent something real. So let's do a rough sketch though for reference. We label our x and y axis for now. And let's randomly put some dots. Scattergram for reference. Okay. Well, we can always do line of best fits. Line of best fits usually, well, it should approximate or roughly estimate or highly represent the data. There we go, something like that. That goes in the middle of most of the points or close to most of the points. Let's see. We also have interpolation. Interpolation occurs when we use a part of a model whose coordinates are between coordinates of the data points. Okay. Typically, it's between two data points. So it has to be somewhere between data that's already known. Let's say, in this case, interpolation. Green dot there that we placed. It's in between data points, so we know data above it, data below it, so we call it interpolation. Extrapolation. Extrapolation occurs when we use part of the model whose coordinates are not between the coordinates of any two data points. So, if it's in the outside, where there is no data point below or above it, it's extrapolation. So let's try to plot a dot. There's a blue dot there. Blue dot there would definitely be extrapolation. There's no data above it. There's data below it, but not above it. So therefore we can define it as extrapolation. How about if we put a dot at the very bottom left? Well, there's no data before that. So that would also be extrapolation. So both occurrences would be extrapolation. Anywhere between our data points would therefore be interpolation.